8 Ways you turn guys on without even trying and what turns on a guy mostly. Whether you just started dating a new guy or you're in a committed relationship with him, there are small things you might do on the regular that the special dude in your life secretly loves. Though it might sound sappy, there are countless habits, rituals, and quirks that guys are particularly fond of. How to turn a guy on is easy if you follow my top 8 ways here. 1. Laying your head on his chest. When lying on the couch watching TV or lying in bed after a long day, it's one of the best feelings when a woman lays her head on your chest and puts her arm over you. Men enjoy this feeling as though they are being protective, and this signifies that you feel safe with him. 2. Texting him first. There's a lot of pressure on guys to always initiate conversation. Sometimes, he doesn't know if he's being too pushy or texting too much. So he might overthink it and not text you at all, which could leave you wondering. Guys like to feel affection, too, though, and if he's really into you, he'll be thinking about you. Sending him a quick text will brighten his day and spark a good conversation. 3. Telling him you appreciate him. Some people are more affectionate than others, and there's nothing wrong with that. Just remember, if a man puts a lot of effort into your relationship, as he should, he will never complain about hearing how much you appreciate him. Relationship, as he should, he will never complain about hearing how much you appreciate him. While your actions also convey how thankful you are for him, some guys need a more direct approach. It will make him feel all warm and fuzzy inside. 4. Playing with his hair while he's driving. When you're riding shotgun and you reach over and scratch the back of his head for a while, he turns into a pile of mush. 5. Bragging about him on Facebook. Though some people go overboard with this, like, way overboard, when your guy does something nice for you and you share it with your friends, it shows him that you want to share your appreciation and love for him with the world. 6. Really listening. Women know better than anyone that listening isn't just a passive activity. It's an action, and it takes effort. When you sit down, keep his eye contact, and are genuinely engaged in a conversation about something important to him, it shows him you care even if he already knows you do. 7. Texting him when you're out with your friends. When you text him every once in a while during the course of the night just to say hey, it makes him feel good to know that you're still thinking about him when you're out. 8. Being affectionate. You don't have to jump on him in public, though, feel free to do so, but holding his hand while you're walking, hugging him in line at the grocery store, or hooking your arm into his as you walk into a party makes him feel close to you. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below this video, to let me know what you would like to see next, plus send me an email if you have any question by clicking the link below this video in the description, and I will be able to respond back to you as soon as possible. To learn more about what turns on a guy in ways he will never know, click the link below in the description below this video and I would love to help you, so go ahead, and do it now.